All right, today we got more stuffs delivered to the house. Let's see what we got.
Look, we got a puppy. No, we got a box. I'm Ron,
I'm Judy,
and we're Full-Time Dream.
and we're bringing you another review.
We got something today that we believe is going to be helpful in the RV and here at the house until we get into the RV.
One of the biggest things everybody talks about in the RVs is what they do for drinking water. A lot of people don't like to drink their water from their tanks. We don't. We never have. I don't want to go through the sanitizing process and everything else. So we've always done in our campers is we carry a Coleman 5-gallon water cooler thing, and I fill it up at the campgrounds when we go. But the campgrounds we always go to, we know they have good water, so it's never been an issue. But we're going to be traveling around a lot more now, and the water at my mom's house is horrible. So we want to start drinking it without any squirty stuff in it and just plain water. So we decided to get a water filter, and most people get the Berkeys, but after doing some research we decided to get
An Alexapure.
an Alexapure
Pro.
Pro. Pretty much the same as the Berkey, same size capacity.
It holds 2 1/4 gallons of water in each compartment. So you can put 2 1/4 gallons up in the top, and it's gravity fed down into the bottom container,
What
so that you have the 2 1/4 gallons down below.
The reason we decided to go with the Aquapure over the Berkey is price was the main reason.
Number one, the price difference. Yes.
Yeah, the Berkey was over 3 1/4, I think, for the Berkey system of the same size. Berkey has different sizes. I didn't see different sizes in the Aquapure, just this one size. But the filters themselves are less expensive, and then the Aquapure filter also filters out fluoride, which the Berkey filter, you have to buy a separate filter on top of the regular one to filter out the fluoride.
Each one of the filters for the Alexapure will filter out 5,000 gallons of water.
And I believe you can put 4 filters in there
Yeah,
too.
you can put up to 4 filters in it. There's 4 openings in the top, and that comes with plugs that we can show you once we get the thing opened. It's made from stainless steel,
So it's easy to clean.
and it'll filter out over 200 contaminants. And like she said, it'll also take out the fluoride.
Including bacteria and viruses. So you can basically, when the zombie apocalypse comes, you can filter out creek water in this thing. So hopefully we won't come to that point.
It
But
says that it'll filter out any fresh water source that you have.
yeah, you can't use it with salt water. That's the only thing you can't do with it. And then just as an added bonus, because they had it on sale, I bought this 5-gallon collapsible water tote. So it was about $10. We have 5-gallon jugs that we used to carry, but they're really big and bulky. So this will be nice to be able to carry this in case we ever have to put water in our RV.
The first thing that we have is the cover. It goes on the very top of it. This is the top container, and as you can tell, it's got the 4 openings in the bottom of the container. Yes, this is the filter. This is the bottom container.
Comes with a rubber gasket for the bottoms. That goes on the bottom one, so it doesn't slide on your counter.
Okay.
And it's got the hole in the front for the spigot.
And we'll go ahead and put it all together and show you what we got.
Did you take the directions? Are you reading them? You're not really helping. You're not helping any. No, you're not helping.
Filter comes sealed in this foil package. Bring it out, and It seals like it feels as though that they had it wet the whole entire time. You do not have to filter or prime the filter at all. You put the gasket on the threaded part. You put it through. And you tighten this down. And as you can see, the other 3 holes in the bottom are plugged. We're not going to fill it all the way up to the top for the first time. We'll get enough water in there to let it go filtered through.
It's been about a half hour and that's how much the water's gone down. This is almost an hour later. Okay, so we had about an hour. We let it filter through and now we're going to taste it. Cheers. Definitely a difference.
It's a lot better.
Yeah, the water here was, you could taste the chlorine, I guess, in it, and it just had a really bad taste to it, and now it just tastes like fresh water. So
It turned out great.
I'm excited. Yay.
I think that we can mess around with it and get used to it, and I think it'll be working really well. The water tastes good. It's clean. It's easy to put together. All in all, I think it's a very good thing for us to have. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And stay tuned for future episodes where we'll be doing some more reviews, some camper remodeling, and some traveling in the future. Thank you. You all have a good night. Bye.
What do you think of the water? You want some water? What does that mean, like? What do you think, Tilly?